Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Ha ha, I win! My hand is the best hand, so that means I win. Sonic, that's not how rock, paper, scissors works. It's rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Whatever. Ha! I am here to destroy your show! That was some bad acting. I've been working on it, okay? Just give me a chance. I'll take care of this. Ah! Ow. Alright, that seems to be it. Let's go somewhere else. Yeah. Man, that hurts. Why do they keep beating me? Wait, there's 4 of them. Well, it's 3 then, but there's 4 mostly. And only 1 of me. I need minions. Hence the title Baddies is simple. I need baddies. Let's go start up a booth thingy, yay.
Heh, and I know exactly where.
Right here! In the middle of the open. Not sure I shouldn't do that. Don't question me! Okay. Alright, first person, come on down. Knuckles, what are you doing here? Yo, man, my name is Knuckles, and I wanted to sign up for this new cool thing that's been going on. Why? Yo, man, because it's like, I like to follow the nicest trends. What, yo, man, why do you think I keep this voice? Ain't outdated, is it? Knuckles, you can't be part of this. Yo, man, why? Your voice is so 2000s, that's why. Yo, man, I'll change my voice. Next. Please give me your name. My name is Jimmy Chewbacca! Okay. Have you ever fought Kai and BJ before? Yes! Can you tell me about how you fought Kai and BJ, basically your entire life story? Yes! That is what happened! Wait. How come no one heard you crying? Because my cries become silent! Meh. Alright, you're in. Yay! I'm standing right here. Right here. Next. I'm here. Yay. Okay. State your name. Generic Gabby! Because I'm generic. See, I'm a square. That's how generic I am. Just a simple square with arms, feet, and a green hat. Okay. Have you ever fought Kai and BJ before? Yes! And failed miserably. Tell me your life story about Kai and BJ. Okay. Then it took me a while, but I realized I could just stand up off the floor and just wander aimlessly. Alright, you're in. Yay, I got a buddy. Next. Just tell me your life story.
And I just want to let you know that I'm not as drunk as I was then, and, well, you know, I think well, I'm not, I don't think, I am sober enough to where I'm certain that I won't slap you again, okay?
We need to meet Shieldy anyway. Next! Tell me your life story. Okay. That backstory, it was so beautiful. Come on in. Next. Squirrely still mad. Alright, you know the grill. Yep, you know the grill, Squirrely. Tell me your tragic backstory with Kai and BJ. My backstory doesn't do with Kai and BJ. It does with Sky! Okay, tell me your backstory with Sky! 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 10 hours later. Sky! Just tell me. Okay. I'm a squirrel.
Hey, Sky, happy Thanksgiving! Oh. Hey, Sonic. Anyway, I decided to come here and check on you. And I'm so cool I did it first. Okay. Anyway, I'm fine. I can take care of things here. You better go ahead and head back.
Squirrely made mad. And I'm still mad. Even though it's not Kai and BJ, you're in. Yeah. Next. Gotta go fast! Gotta go fast! Tell me your life story. Gotta go fast! Oh great, it's Gritty the Derp Hog. That faker. Faker? I think you're the big head dog around here. You trying to compare yourself to me? You're not even good enough to be my friend! Look, you don't even have a head. So I'll make you eat those words! And that's why I gotta go fast! Okay, have a grudge against Shadow. Come on in. Next! Hello. My name is Fabulous! my name is Fabulous! my name is Fabulous! my name is Fabulous! my name is Metal Sonic. Fabulous! Ah. Welcome, Fabulous Metal Sonic Fabulous. No, it's just Metal Sonic. Oh, okay. Yes, and... David, did your voice just change? Yes, my voice has issues, but... I want to join you. No backstory required. I like you. You're in. Yay. How about we say we ambush Shadow? What? Wait. Oh! Yes. I also have this very cool treasure map. It leads to who knows what kind of treasure.
Oh, that's cool. Where'd you get that map from? Oh, I got it from my Fabulous. Ugh.
I got it from my sock drawer. Okay, that's weird. Anyway, let's get back to what we were just about to do.
Alright, I'm standing here for no reason. Yeah. Guys, be quiet. You want to be able to hear us? Okay. Here's the plan. Whisper, 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 whispering, whispering, whispering. Okay, everyone get that. Dragons! What was that? I'm going to kill you, you faker! Get your face! Hiya! 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 This is going terribly! Someone please attack it! Let go of me!
This is what I do, I sit on you, sit on you, sit on you. This is what I do, I sit on you, right on your lap.
This is a disaster, squirrel person attack! La da dee da la da dee da la da dee da. Treasure turtle person attack! Right. Alright, prepare for my spinning surprise attack thingy! Let go of my sword. Everybody retreat! Ah! Okay, that was random and pathetic. Oh, hey, what's this? They left behind a treasure map! Oh, this could lead to unknowing great treasure. Anyway, I better go and show the others.
That went horribly! You know, we probably should have worked out our team dynamic before we started doing stuff. Shut up, Ninja Turtle guy! When are we going to go after Sky? When are we going to deal with Sky? When we're done dealing with Callie and BJ, and Silver and Sonic and Chat. We're just gonna call him Silver and Friends. And you know what, Squirrely Guy? You having asked that has made me even more upset. So I think it's a good idea, maybe a good idea, shut up. Anyway, it's a good idea for me to fire you. So you're fired. Get out. We really should start training though. Whatever.